In this video, I will try my best to make every student understand the solution of this question that was asked in JEE Advanced 2024, Paper 1, question number 5. In this question, that means in this JEE Advanced question that I have also written at the end of this video, this set is given. S is equal to set of A plus B root 2, where AB belongs to Z. That means AB are elements of set Z. Z is set of integers. That means all positive integer means natural number 1, 2, 3, etc. 0 is also present. -1, -2, -3 in this way all negative integer are present in this set Z. When we put any number from this set in place of A and any number from this set in place of B, then value of A plus B root 2 obtained will be present in this set. As for example, -1 is in this set and 1 is also in this set. If we put -1 in place of this A and 1 in place of this B, then A plus B root 2 will be -1 plus 1 times root 2, that is equal to -1 plus root 2. Therefore, -1 plus root 2 belongs to S. That means -1 root 2 will be present in this set. We write this set here. -1 plus root 2 will be present in this set. Similarly, when we put A is equal to 3 and B is equal to -2, then A plus B root 2, 3 minus 2 root 2 will also be present in this set, means in this set. Similarly, 1 plus root 2 will also be present in this set. 3 plus 2 root 2 will also be present in this set. In this way, many more number will be present in this set. When we put A is equal to -3, A is equal to -3 and B is equal to 0, then A plus B root 2 will be equal to -3. Therefore, -3 will also be present in this set, means in this set. Similarly, -2 will also be present, -1 will also be present, 0 will also be present in this set. And when we put 1 in place of A and 0 in place of B, we get A plus B root 2 is equal to 1. Therefore, 1 will also be present in this set. Similarly, 2 will also be present, 3 will also be present. That means every number that is present in this set Z is also present in this set S. Here, see here. All numbers present in this set Z are also present in this set S. That means Z is a subset of S. Z is a subset of S. Subset. Z is a subset of S. Now in the question, one more set T1 is given. This set, in this set, this type of number are present where in place of n we have to write natural number. Natural number means set of natural number means set of numbers 1, 2, 3 in this way. When we put 1 in place of n, then the value of this will be equal to this, that is equal to -1 plus root 2. Therefore, -1 plus root 2 will be present in this set T1. In this set T1, this number will be present in this set T1. When we put 2 in place of this n, then value of this -1 plus root 2 to the power n will be equal to 3 minus 2 root 2. That means 3 minus 2 root 2 will be present in this set T1. That means this number will be present in this set T1. Thus we see that T1 will be a set something like this, and each element present in this set are also present in this set S. Since each element of set T1 are also present in this set S, therefore T1 is subset of S. T1 is subset of S. This set T2 is given in the question. In this set, in place of this n, we have to put numbers from this set. That means 1, 2, 3, etc. When we put 1 in place of this n, then value of this is 1 plus root 2. That means this 1 plus root 2 will be present in this set. 1 plus root 2 will be present in this set. When we put n is equal to 2 here, then value of this is 3 plus 2 root 2. That means 3 plus 2 root 2. 3 plus 2 root 2 will be present in this set. Thus, we see that this number is present in this set. This number is present in this set. That means every number of this set are also present in this set. Therefore, T2 is subset of S. T2 is subset of S. Suppose A is a set in which two numbers 1 and 2 are present in this set. B is another set in which 3 numbers are present. C is another set in which only one number 6 is present. And D is another set in which these 9 numbers are present. Then A union B union C will be a set in which all numbers in A are present, every number in B are present, and every number in set C are present. It is clear that every element, every number in A are present in this set D. Therefore, A is subset of D. Every number in B are present in this set D. Therefore, B is a subset of D. Every number in set C is present in this set D. Therefore, C is subset of D. And every number of this A union B union C are also present in this set D. Therefore, this set is also subset of D. This is actually a formula that if A is subset of D, B is subset of D, C is subset of D, then union of these three, A, B, C, will also be subset of D. Since we already have seen that Z is subset of S, T1 is subset of S, and T2 is subset of S, therefore union of these three will also be subset of this S. Therefore, option A given in the question is correct. This option is correct. This is number line. Suppose 0 is here, 1 is here. 1 by 2 is here. 1 by 2 to the power 1 will be 1 by 2 here. 1 by 2 square will be 1 by 4. 1 by 4 is on the left side of this 1 by 2. 1 by 2 cube will be 1 by 8. Power increases, value shift on the left hand side. When there is some number which is less than 1 but greater than 0, then as we increase power over such number, value of this number shift on the left hand side on the number line. 2 is a number greater than 1. 2 to the power 1 will be equal to 2. 2 square will be equal to 4. Value shifted on the right hand side. 2 cube will be 8. 8 is on the right hand side of this 4. 2 is greater than 1. When we increase power over a number which is greater than 1, then value shift on the right hand side, moves on the right hand side over number line. Since in the question it is given that T1 is this set, and here in place of n we will put numbers 1, 2, 3, etc. When we put 1, then this number is present in this set T1. Put 2 in place of n, then this number is also present. This number is also present. When we put 50 in place of n, this number is present. When we put 51, this number is present. When we put 52, this number is present. That means set T1 is this. This minus 1 plus root 2, minus 1 plus root 2 is equal to -1 plus 1.41 -1 plus 1.414, that is equal to 0.414, and 0.414 is less than 1. This is less than 1 but positive, that means greater than 0. Therefore, when we increase power over this, value will shift left side on the number line. Therefore, this number power 1 will be here. When we increase power to 2, then this number will shift on the left hand side. When we increase power, this number will shift on the left hand side. In this way, when we increase power, suppose we write 50, then this number will be smaller than this 1/2024. That is on the left hand side. Similarly, power 51 will also be on the left hand side. When we increase power, this number again will be on the left hand side, and so on. In option B, this interval is given. This interval means all real number greater than 0 but smaller than 1/2024, smaller than 2024. Excluding 0, excluding this, but greater than 0, smaller than this. All numbers are present in this set. This is also a set. This set is from here to here, and this T1 set is in this T1 set. This number, this number, this number, this number, this number, this number, etc. are present. We observe that some number, this number, this number, this number, and similarly many more number written on the left hand side of this number are present in the position that is on the right hand side of 0 and on the left hand side of this 1/2024. Therefore, some number, this number, this number, this number are also present in this set. If some number are also present in this set, then T1 intersection this set means number that is common in T1 and this set. We observe that these numbers are common number which are present in T1 and this set both. Therefore, intersection of these two will have some number. Intersection will have some number. That means intersection of these two sets will not be like this, no any number. 5 means a set that has no any element. This is empty. Intersection of this and this will not be empty set. There will be some number like this, etc. Therefore, this option is not correct. This interval written here is a set that contain all real number which is greater than 2024. That means on the right hand side of this number. T2 is given this set. Here in place of n, we will write 1, 2 natural number. When we write 1, then this number is present in T1. When we write 2, this is present in this T2. Similarly, when we write 50, then this number is also present in this set T2. 51 is also present in this set. 1 plus root 2. 1 plus root 2 is equal to 1 plus 414. 2.414 approximately. Root 2 is irrational number. This is not exactly equal to 1.414 but approximately equal to this. Clearly this number is greater than 1, and as we increase power over a number which is greater than 1, then value on the number line shift on the right hand side. Therefore, if power 1 is here, then power 2 will lie on the right hand side. As we keep increasing power, value will keep moving on the right hand side. When we put power 50, this number will clearly be greater than this. That means lie on the right hand side on the number line. Power 51 will also be on the right hand side. That means this number are greater than 2024. Therefore, there are some number, this number, and this type of many more number are common in this set and this set. Therefore, intersection of these two sets will have some number, those number that are common to both sets, like this. This will not be an empty set that do not have any element. Therefore, this option is correct. In this option D, it is said that complex number written from here to here is an integer if and only if b is equal to 0. We suppose this complex number as u, and when we put 0 in place of this b and this b, 0, then this complex number u becomes this. Since we have to put only integer in place of a, that means numbers from this set, therefore we put -1 in place of a here and here, then we get u is equal to this. Value of cos minus pi is -1 and value of sin minus pi is 0. Therefore, this will be equal to this, that is equal to -1. This -1 is present in the set Z written here, -1. Similarly, when we put 0 in place of a here and here, then we get this. We write value of cos 0 from here and sin 0 from here, then we get 1, and this one is integer because this one is written in this set. Similarly, we can observe that when we put a is equal to 1, then also we get some integer. When we put a is equal to 2, then also we get some integer. Therefore, this option is correct.